We are at the Excellence Club property, Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. We are currently staying at room 2214. This is an Excellence Club property. As you come in, there is a double vanity here. A huge shower and a water closet. And if you want to order room service while you're doing room service, it's there. Towels. As we open up, we have the butler's pantry, so anytime you're doing room service, you throw it in there and they empty it out on the other side. You have your standard closets, safe, steamer, another double door, robes, extra sheets, hangers. Here you have your controls. This is if you want your room cleaned, and that's if you do not disturb. And as we open up to the main area, there is a fully stocked mini bar with an espresso machine, 3 bottles of liquor, and then down here is your mini fridge, which is overstocked with anything and everything that you could want every day. We have the king size bed, the tub in the middle of the room, which with the TV, which the missus is still on the fence about. She doesn't really like that. Over here you kind of have like your mini living room. No drop down, it's just one level. Full length mirror for the ladies. And then the best part right here, we are on the 2nd floor, and the balcony just opens up to this absolutely gorgeous view. I just hope that the camera is doing it justice. And if you happen to book one of those swim up suites, they're right here. I don't think it's worth it with the lack of privacy that you have, but you know, you want it, go ahead and get it. But Punta Cana Ocean is magnificent. This is Excellence, Punta Cana, Dominican Republic.